Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to tell you about why this is a one-row tractor, and there's a reason why they call it one row. Spark plug 3 needs cleaning. The reason why I call it one row is because number one, this is a reason why. So this right here, because you can only lay off one at a time, one row at a time. Now where the plows sit, now where the plow's sitting is where your row would be. Right under the steering column. Beat yourself up. The row would sit right there. And it would just ride on one at a time. Now with the plows, I didn't pull that thing up. Yeah, there. So, whoa. Where the layoff plow is, that's where your row would sit. Right there at the steering column. Which is right here. Now, after you done planted and all that, you'll have plow that would sit over here. Well, it would sit about right here somewhere, because your plant would be here, and you'll put one plow here and one back here, and one over here, one back here. With that being said, the ones in the front would get the grass real close. Ones in the back would get it out in the middle where the tractor would roll through. So anyway, that is that, and I'll tell you guys, it's hard to lay one off, especially when you're going this way, the way I'm facing. Tractor will be on the other side. You have a row here and you're going this way, or the row would be here, and you're trying to lay it off right here, and you're trying to follow this track. Well, you can't really do that because you got a whole engine here, and let me show you. You'll basically be leaning over like this, which is kind of hard because holding the tractor, driving it, got it in gear, you're looking over here, trying to keep it straight. It's hard, but it ain't too hard. But the road will come through here, and you can, as y'all have seen on Super Day, the road would come. You can see the plant. Well, International had everybody beat when they done that. And Al Chalmers said, we're going to make a B where the engine would come right here. And I'll show you guys that on a tractor show. But yep, that's why they are one row tractor. Because you can only plow one row at a time. Now I guess with the H's, with the B, the C, Super C, or the C, and the H and M, Super MTA. I guess they would have two. I'm not sure. I'm not real sure on that. But anyway, guys, let me show you what I mean when I say plows in the back get the what I'm trying to say, the plows in the back get the grass out in where the tractor is. Let me show you. So as you would have, let's see, your plow here and one back here. These back here get the grass where these tires roll, basically where the tractor goes. So it'd be, your crop would be about right in here. Well, your crop, I'm sorry, will be coming through here. And your plows up there would be getting that real close. These get it outside, out there where the grass is. And since you'd have a row here, here, and here, this gets the grass between these two. And this one gets the grass between these two. Now, like y'all seen, we had to go back out and back out. Come in it, and then back out it again. That way we get the grass in real good. But, anyway, more you know. Now I got some stuff to show y'all for some for a 4 Mile H, but you get where I'm going. See, here's a good shot right here. This here's for the plows, for the plow thing. It'll go right there, and then you twist these and make sure they're tight, and that's for the ones real close. The one on the back would sit behind this one. It would sit right here, somewhere in here. That gum, Red. So, as this gets the crop right here, this gets the side of the row, and these get the back. And anyway, there's going to be more to come from these. And probably a project. Probably a little paint job later on. This year, maybe. Just maybe. But, guys, garden season will be done here real soon. Not end of July, but August, September. Then we'll have 4 Mile fall in October. But don't be sad, because there's always next year. But after we're done with garden season, we're gonna be working on that one. Yes, there's poison oak and stuff growing around it, but by September all that'll be dead around here. But anyway, guys, that is that. And anyway, guys, that is it for this video. And this tomorrow, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, I'm going to do Vacation Bible School. And I am not going to film it because it didn't go so hot. So anyway, guys, I want to let y'all go. And I hope y'all have all 10 of these, all five on each, 5 fingers on each hand still from the 4th of July. I had some fun. But I hope y'all didn't blow nothing. I hope y'all didn't take out anything or your fingers. So, anyway, guys, that is that. And we will do some maintenance to this one here soon. That'll probably be after we are done with the H. So, anyway, I'll see y'all in the next one.